Hi everyone, and coincidentally today is also the Friendships Day. So happy Friendship Day to all of you. And as you can see that over the time, of course, knowing Miss Sakshi Dugal Kumriya, we've become friends, and both of us are in the lovely colors, the hues of bright and nice friendship colors, and also being a Thursday, I think Sakshi, that is why you would have been wearing this color, right?
Absolutely, absolutely, yes.
Because
Happy
I
Friendships Day.
Okay, so Sakshi, I remember when we were discussing about this episode and we were talking about relationships. तो आपका कहना था कि हर इंसान की जो डेट ऑफ बर्थ होती है वो कहीं ना कहीं इस चीज को इन्फ्लुएंस करती है कि हम किस रिलेशनशिप में बेटर हैं, राइट?
Abs-
So if I'm a
Absolutely.
daughter and not a good daughter-in-law, I can just blame it on my date of birth.
Oh, well, it's not a blame game, but as they say, nature cannot be changed. It's by birth. So definitely, when we were born, we have a date of birth, and that is like a snapshot of our life. You know, it's an imprint. So that defines our nature. Yes, we all come across a lot of challenges as a parent, as a child, as a lover, as a spouse, as an employee, as an employer. We play a lot of different roles in our life. So yes, your date of birth, your number, your birth number, and your life path number definitely helps you knowing which is your best role. You know what role you play at your best. So yes, it will be very interesting to know who are very happy with us and who thinks what about us, and let's work on it and let us know each other a little better.
आई गेस कहीं ना कहीं पे ये चीज हमें इस चीज में हेल्प करेगी कि हम जिस रिलेशनशिप में थोड़े से वीक हैं या जिस रिलेशन में हमें थोड़ा ज्यादा काम करने की जरूरत है तो वो हमारे नंबर से अगर हमें पता लगता है तो व्हाई नॉट. Okay, I would like to request Sakshi that because I know there are a lot of repeat viewers that we have, but every episode we get a lot of new members who are joining us, right? So if you could just
Sure.
explain to them what is their number according to the date of birth, so that they can then follow this more, fluently.
Absolutely. So this is about numerology. Numerology is about 9 planets in the solar system. And when we are born, God has given 3 planets by birth to everybody. And basis on those 3 planets and how do you understand those 3 planets is your date of birth. Means your date, your month, and your complete year. So when we add your date of birth, for example, if somebody is born today, that's 30th of July 2020. So what do we do? That person is number 3. 30, please, means number 3. And you add all the total, like complete total of date, month, and year. And you come up to a life path number. So these numbers are very important to know our nature, the events of happenings in our life. Of course, destiny is all predestined. You know, we are not changing our it's not miracle, it's a science. So we'll understand it little better and we'll be prepared for the best and the tough and the challenging phases of our life. So it's very important to know your first number. As today's episode, when we talk about relationships, our birth number plays, you can say, 50% of importance. And then the total number, that's a life path number. For example, 30th July 2020, you add 3 plus 0 plus 7, that's a seventh month, plus 2020. So 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, and you come up to a number 11 plus 3, that's number 5, right? So destiny would be number 5. So we will talk about your birth number and your destiny number. Yes, and also Charu, we are discussing, this is a public platform. um, Everybody's destiny is different. We are right now talking very generic information. It can be true, to say about 60 to 70% people, but you cannot rely on it 100% naturally, because your planets, everybody has got different planets. So let's understand our strengths and make our weaknesses our strengths. This is all about
Really exciting. Let's start with it.
sure.
And you always start with number one. Why don't you start with number nine today?
Oh, okay.
कितना
Some
वेट करना
special connection you have number with number 9, is it?
Well, yes and no, but honestly,
Okay.
because every time बेचारे 9 नंबर वाले सबसे लास्ट में उनका नंबर आता है, तो इस बार उल्टी गिनती शुरू कर देते हैं.
No worries. ये उल्टी गिनती नहीं है. This is top of the chart.
Oh,
Number 9 is a complete number. You know, number 9, anybody who's born on 9th, 18th, and 27th of any month, and their destiny is number 9. You know, as I just explained, how do we calculate that number? So, whosoever has a destiny number 9 and the date as 9th, 18th, and 27th are number 9 people. So, they are rulers. They're complete in their own self. They don't need anybody else to complete them, you know. Very materialistic. तो जब relationship की बात आती है तो they are best spouse one can ever ask for. They will do everything what the husband or wife is asking. You know, they adjust themselves very nicely. When it comes to being a child, children, anybody who's born on these dates, mothers, parents, fathers, whosoever is listening, they will give you a tough time because they have an identity of their own. You cannot rule them. You cannot just instruct them, sit, stand. They have, you know, they have brains which are, they are blessed with a lot of intellectual intellect. So they are definitely way above their own level of children also. So as a child, they will definitely give you a tough time. As a spouse, amazing. That's your strength. You're born lovers. You know, they love life, they love people, they love spouses, they generally they end up having love marriages. You know, obviously when you love everything around you, so you end up finding your love mate. And yes, as a child, we all have a primary and secondary life. So when we talk about number 9, this secondary phase, when they cross 30, 31, they become excellent children to their parents. They give that support system, you know. So initial years they are tough, and the towards, you know, the second phase, they are best of children one can ask for. Siblings, they are doting siblings. Definitely they will stand by their brothers and sisters always. When coming to being an employer, they are fault finders because they're so full of themselves. Definitely they will be, you know, they'll find criticism which doesn't go down well with your employees. And yes, they cannot be very good employees. They cannot work under people. So they'll be very good self professionals, very creative. Generally ये numbers celebrities के होते हैं. They do something very class apart, you know. They don't settle for something normal. तो यहाँ आपकी strength है. आपका relationship थोड़ा सा with your parents will be a weaker part. Otherwise I think all roles you play quite well.
but honestly, whose number 9 is my house. So I was just thinking कि 31 years तक wait करना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल जी, आपके दोनों बच्चे नंबर 9 है, बट वहाँ कहीं आपके भी फ्लॉज होंगे. आई एम श्योर, यू नो, वी हैव टू मेक इट वर्क. अब बच्चों को चेंज नहीं किया जा सकता. एट दिस स्टेज दे लेट देम ग्रो. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोथ. सो आई थिंक यू शुड चेंज अ बिट अकॉर्डिंग टू देम, यू नो, एट द मोमेंट.
चलिए नंबर 8.
ओके, सो ये नंबर ऐसा है. नंबर 8 इज सैटर्न का नंबर. एनीबडी who's born on 8th, 17th, and 26th of any month. And also the destiny number is number 8 as we calculate.
Sakshi, there's one clarification.
Yeah.
Is it and or? मतलब मेरा destiny number 8 हो सकता है, मेरा birth number भी 8 हो सकता है.
हाँ जी,
बिल्कुल. दोनों
no. Total combination होना बहुत rare है. It's not very common that आपका destiny number भी 8 आ रहा है और आप birth number भी 8 हो. वो वहाँ पे हमारे पास बहुत challenge आ जाता है. But it is an addition. Yes. So number 8 means Saturn. Number 8 means Shani. So Shani का मतलब होता है in and out of relationships, instability. So they'll be very good friends, you know. They will be best of friends with you at some point in time, and you can expect them to not be friends with you at all also. You know, they can block you, you know. They can just they need their space after a time. As spouse, you have to pamper them. You have to really value their existence in your life, and vice versa. So it's a very simple number. आप जैसे इनके साथ बिहेव करते हैं, ये वैसे आपके साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं. As a parent, they'll be very suspicious. They will doubt your moves, you know. They will try to understand, nahi isne is baat mein thoda kuch छुपाया होगा. They will have their you know, self doubt nahi, but kuch doubts ho sakte hain as a parent. As a child, they are very creative. They will have some spark in them. You will not have to sit them and teach them, because they'll be very restless. They will have so much of energy in you. So parents जिसके भी बच्चे इन dates पे born हैं, आप थोड़े से इनके साथ फ्लेक्सिबल हो जाइए, इनको करने दीजिए जो इनको करना है. Forceful study, forceful work, forceful you know, anything which is imposed on them just doesn't work, and that spoils your relationship with your children, you know. And yes, they also love you know, they'll get along with the opposite sex better than their, if you're a boy, you'll get along with women better, and vice versa. So they end up having their choice marriages in 90% of the cases. And tough part, I think, parents ke liye hi aayega. Baki they are easy going, and once they grow up in their secondary phase of life, which is after 33, for people who are born in Saturn years, they just change. They are, right now they are very restless, hyper, full of energy, and then they just calm down, and you know, they get into a lot of they become deep thinkers, deep people. They are full of depth. So yes, employees, I don't think so. They will work under any people, any organization. They will just, you know, when they reach the highest highs, they will just draw back. They'll say, we don't want to get into it now. Let's try and explore other side. And as an employer, yes, they can be very good, but no partnerships will work for them. So they can get work done from people, but they cannot be good at partnerships. So again,
working for someone.
yes, yes. So again, 8 number is not very tough, but it is a challenge to, I think, the growing years of life. And then they tend to become little settled.
Also, जो अब हमारी जनरेशन है, वो मुझे लगता ही नहीं कि वो किसी के लिए काम कर सकती है. जो अब you know, our kids जिस जनरेशन को belong करते हैं, they all somehow, I don't think they can take instructions from anyone.
Yeah, because you know, some things, but some people just want, we'll come up to those planets as well, which are very dedicated workers. It's like they work in one way, you know, no right, no left, do as instructed. Maybe planets hote hain. We'll come up to those stars as well. So, you know, there has to be a balance of everything. If they are good employees, they are good employers as well. So we have to strike a balance. But yes, somebody who's very good professionally cannot be very good personally. You know, we have different roles to play. So today we are just discussing that part, because it's highs and lows is part of life. You know, you can not you know, measure success कि कोई कितना successful रहा on the basis of this, the,
And
you know,
also,
other employee.
success is very time bound.
Absolutely.
You know, sometimes, like when we were growing up around schoolmate, I used to think the head girl is the most successful person we've ever met.
Yes,
But say 5
absolutely.
years down the line, maybe she just chose to have a more, you know, a slower life and just chill. And somebody who we never looked upon is like a CEO. And
Talking about myself, though it is a public platform, all my friends, my school friends, they are shocked. You can talk so much, really, being a front bencher throughout your life. So it is a shocking thing for my somebody who's, you know, all my friends have studied with me. So yes, we all play different roles, but the primary nature, the nature, we are talking about our strengths right now, that cannot be challenged. You know, we only have to evolve with time.
chalo, let's go to Satya Pe Satta.
Oh yes, okay. So number 7, again, were born on 7th, 16th, and 25th of any month, and their destiny is number 7. So this planet, you know, they don't have a body. ये केतु का नंबर होता है, इनकी बॉडी नहीं होती, इनकी ब्रेन होती है. ये प्लैनेट, अब हम नेचर जब समझते हैं, तो जो जिसकी बॉडी नहीं होती वो कंप्लीट करता है अपने आप को, तो दे लुक आउट फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ लव. You know, brain, they are very brainy, spiritual, they have intuitive powers, they have a lot of strengths here. But when it comes to their existence and presence, वहाँ challenge आता है. तो relationship में always expect a lot, you know, because they are givers. Best mothers one can ever get. Best spouse, if, you know, they will do everything. They will not put their professional life at priority. They are born for the family, basically. So you can have water. Yeah, number 7 पे. Okay. All right. So number 7 का मतलब है they are excellent spouse, best of friends. They'll go out of the way to be a friend to you, absolutely helping people because they are spiritually blessed, you know. So जिसकी भी spiritual inclination होगी वो दूसरे का दुख दर्द ज्यादा समझेगा, हमेशा दुख में साथ देगा, चाहे उनके पास वो रिवर्ट आए या ना आए. इनकी वीकनेस कहाँ आती है, ये they cannot run businesses very efficiently. They will have a lot of hurdles because they work from heart. They don't work from brain. So हर किसी का impact इनके दिल पे, you know, they don't know how to draw a line between professional life and personal life. So there they have a drawback. As a lover also, it's very difficult. They need a lot of pampering. Oh, you're looking very nice. Oh, this is very pretty. Oh, this is, you know, so you need to have that right combination of your spouse to just pamper you, because every time they go out of the way. And somewhere I feel it's their flaw. आप ओवर करते हैं, आप ओवर एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, वो होता नहीं है, तो आपके रिलेशनशिप्स इम्पैक्ट करते हैं. सो इट्स अ विशियस सर्कल फॉर देम. बट नंबर 7, दे आर बोर्न टू बी बेस्ट ऑफ पेरेंट्स. One can absolutely ask for. Siblings, they are pretty practical. They'll stand by you, but they would, again, if they don't get pampering, they get offended very easily. And as a child, they are very submissive, you know. Again, उनकी nature later years, after 25th year पता चलती है, क्योंकि as a child they will be little depressed, loner, इनको लगेगा हमें कोई समझ नहीं रहा. So yes, parents of these planets will definitely face challenges understanding their feelings.
They sound like people who are genuinely nice and they try to keep other people happy. Because कोई लोग शायद अपने ही उस पे खरे नहीं उतर पाते.
Absolutely. But चारू, यहाँ मैं कहना चाहूंगी, charity begins at home. आप पहले अपने आप को, इसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है, आप अपने आप को पहले खुश रखेंगे, हमारे अंदर पॉजिटिविटी होगी, तभी हम स्प्रेड करेंगे. Why do we need somebody else to give that happiness to us? You know, as they say, plant your own garden. You know, why do we need somebody else to complete us and give us happiness? अगर हमारे अंदर खुशी नहीं है तो हम किसी को खुशी नहीं दे सकते. नंबर 7 यहाँ डिप्राइव्ड रहता है, उसको ये लगता है मुझे कोई समझता नहीं, क्योंकि वो they are givers, they are doers. तो relationship में हमेशा इनको concerns आएंगे. So let's work. Anybody who's listening with these stars, please अपना कर्म कीजिए, खुश रहिए. अंदर से खुशी बहुत जरूरी है, because you are born doers. Just keep doing your karmas.
Okay, the special number 6.
Oh yes, okay, so you have to be good to me. You're a number 6. Okay, so number 6, I must say they are very tough children, very stubborn kids. What they want, they want. They will not take a no for an answer, you know. And somehow ये इनकी destiny में होता है कि parents कहीं ना कहीं से वो fulfill कर ही देते हैं. Even if they don't have that kind of setup and affordability or whatever concerns, number 6 की destiny में, as a child, they are pampered enough. Very much, you know, you will, I have never come across any number 6 जो 6th, 15th और 24th को born है और जिसकी destiny number 6 है, वो किसी चीज से deprived नहीं रहा. When it comes to being a parent, there's always a no. It's very contradictory. आपको तो कुछ ना नहीं मिली लाइफ में, बट एज अ पेरेंट आपको सारे कंट्रोल्स आपके अंदर आ जाते हैं. नो, दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस इज नॉट रॉन्ग, यू नो. हाँ से पहले आपके मुंह से ना निकलती है. डेफिनेटली यू आर लॉजिकल, डेफिनेटली यू लव योर किड्स, देयर इज नो टू डाउट्स अबाउट इट, बट यू ऑलवेज कम अप टू द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. व्हाट इफ मैंने ये कर दिया तो हो गया, या इसके लिए ये ठीक नहीं, यू नो. यू गाइज, I mean, not you as in people who are, yeah, I'm sorry, please don't take it otherwise. But ये जो stars होते हैं, planets होते हैं, हर चीज deep down root cause तक चले जाते हैं. Sometimes we need to be practical with children. And yes, set the boundaries. I'm not saying give them what they want, but work, you know, reverse psychology works with them. Sometimes you have to be, just say yes, 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 and children themselves will back off. You know, sometimes you have to play tricks. Your curt, blunt no will only put your relationship at stake. I must say number 6, 15th and 24th are they're born to love their spouse. They can just drool over their spouse and say 10,000 times I love you in a day, and which is not a very common thing for everybody. They can pamper you to the hilt with the best of gifts, you know. So they are amazing lovers. They will never get along with the same sex, as in they will never have a lot of being a man, you will not have a lot of men around. You'll always be very favorite amongst women, and vice versa. As a friend, you will have very selective people, and you will be very loyal to them throughout. You will be social, but you'll draw a distance. So number 6, they don't turn out to be best of friends. Employees, excellent employees, because if they do one work, they get appreciation, they get energy, and they get motivation to work further. So these kind of numbers are born to be employees, you know. Employer, I doubt, because again, they are very good critiques. So if you keep finding knickknacks, nobody would like to work for you for a longer duration, and that may not be very helpful to your work. They can be very good self professionals also. So I would advise them to have their own work. That's better, you know. Why to get into difference of opinion? Have your own work and be your own boss. And yes, as siblings also, they are very doting, but again, they will give space. They know, they value the importance of space. So number 6, as a child, they are pampered enough. You can't stop them. That's their destiny. As a parent, please work on your weaknesses. Just be little softer to them. Your tone can be little. Your curt no will not work with your children. You know, let's work on that.
This is just making me think that if kids could choose their parents before they are born, they would all go to number
Oh
7.
yes, I will definitely suggest we'll come up to that number. There are a lot of people who ask what number पे baby करना चाहिए. बस हमारे पास option होती है आजकल सी सेक की, cesarean की. So definitely there's one planet. We'll come up to that as well.
Sure, ठीक है, चलिए फिर हम 5.
5 number, dreamy. Number 5, people who are born on 14th, 23rd, and 5th of any month. They live in a fairyland. You know, they're thinkers, deep thinkers. Everything is here. Extremely lazy. So when you're lazy, you cannot, at home, they will not even fetch a glass of water. At work front, they will have so much of energy, they will just do every task in no time, So personally, they have to work on their personal existence and personal relationships. As a brother sister, insecurities होती हैं इस planet को, but थोड़ी time बाद ये later life में disconnect हो जाते हैं. ये थोड़े से initially because they're extremist, initial years they give a lot to the relationships, and in the later stages they tend to draw themselves and pull themselves back with their own reasons, so this is a very prominent factor. They are extremist. They are very good at even getting work done out of people, but 90% I've seen them becoming very good employees because they will do as instructed. They're dedicated workers. They instructions means everything. They will not violate rules, which is very important. Okay, they get along with people with the moon, because they're very slow, dreamy. They will not get along with people who are very fast paced and very hyper and very full on life. They also want somebody who understands them at a normal pace. So they get along with number 2 and 8 very well. Okay, and when it comes to being friends, they are very good friends. They are total socialites. They will love partying and having fun, and they don't say a no to their friends ever. Even if they can't afford to give that kind of support, they will stand by them. But again, withdraw themselves back after a stage, because this is planet, the extremity works with them. So ये पीछे पुल कर जाते हैं, फैमिली ओरिएंटेड होते हैं, बट थोड़े सालों बाद इनको समझ आ जाता है कि मेरी प्रायोरिटीज क्या हैं, so very good and very dedicated daughters and sons, very dedicated, born to be perfect children. बेबी करना है तो नंबर 5 पे करें. ऑफ कोर्स इनके हेल्थ कंसर्न्स आएंगे, अब उससे भी बेटर नंबर है अगर चॉइस मिलती है तो. बट yes, they are they have a different they are very different in the outside world and very different to their personal life. Yes. So number 5, please stop thinking, थोड़ा laid back attitude कम करें, थोड़ी एनर्जी लाएं, और पॉजिटिविटी तो आपके अंदर बहुत है. सो देयर फैमिली इज वेरी हैप्पी, क्योंकि एक्सट्रीमिटी है ना, तो सुनते हैं ये अपने पेरेंट्स की बात. दे आर वेरी गुड फैमिली पीपल, आई मस्ट से.
As of now, 5 and 7 is the best combination for parents and kids.
Absolutely.
7 number parents and 5 number kids.
Yes, absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
what about number 4? What are their strengths?
Number 4, anybody who's born on 4th, 13th, 22nd, and 31st of any month, and their destiny number is number 4. So these parents are idealistic people. They set an example. It's all about हमने ये किया. They will have stories to share, because their life is always about some kind of struggle, some kind of, it's not a cakewalk for them ever. Even as a child, they will have hurdles. Even if everything is spick and span, everything is perfect, they will definitely have a concern, because maybe they will have a set of parents who are very very strong headed, or maybe there are rules in their life. So their childhood always set an example to become what they are supposed to become in their later stages of life. चारों इनका रिलेशनशिप वीक पार्ट होता है. ओके, तो अगेन बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, थोड़े हाइपर हो जाते हैं, एंजाइटी इश्यूज इनमें ज्यादा होती है, बट क्या होता है, एज अ एम्प्लॉयर दे आर द बेस्ट. इतना अच्छा काम एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं लोगों से, परफेक्ट प्लानर्स, परफेक्ट सुपरवाइजर्स, परफेक्ट मैनेजर्स. दे आर ऑलवेज एट द head positions, so they are entrepreneurs, best of entrepreneurs. Personal life mein they're rude with their verbal conduct. They're very curt and blunt. White is white, black is black. They will not say, yaar ye thoda gray hai, just to pamper their spouse. They become tough spouses, definitely. So you don't expect them to just get you surprises. As a relationship, we all expect certain kind of expression. They're not very good at expression, because they're very practical people. As siblings also, they will not take 1 minute to tell you this is your flaw, right? So anybody, we don't like to listen to our or hear our weaknesses. We all have different nature, right? So number 4, थोड़ा अपना verbal conduct को अगर वो थोड़ा tone down करेंगे, के relationships थोड़े better होंगे, because they are very good professionally. Personally इनकी थोड़ी challenges हैं, because they feel that they want to set examples and teach people around, but कुछ सुख जो जिंदगी में आपको आपकी वाणी से आने या आपके कंडक्ट से आने हैं, वो तो आपको ही लाने. So this is what number 4 is all about. इनके अगर ये employees होते तो work politics बहुत जल्दी create हो जाती है इनके around, so it's better कि ये अपना काम करें और काम निकलवाएं. Yeah.
So number 3.
Okay जी, number 3 आता है, who are born on 3rd, 12th, 21st and 30th of any month, and their destiny is number 3. Number 3 चारू जुपिटर का planet है. ये best, आपको मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक चैलेंज दे सकती हूँ, कोई भी मदर और सन का जो कोई भी यहाँ पे व्यूअर्स में सुन रहा होगा हमें, I can challenge, they are the best son, best child one mother can ever ask for. इन्होंने भगवान नहीं देखा होता, ये अपनी मदर में भगवान का रूप देखते हैं. This is how dedicated they are to their parents. फादर की भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस होती है, बट माँ की जगह अलग होती है. So anybody who wants to have a child, blindly I say please go for number 3. As a mother, you will be loved for, cared for. They will have love-hate relationship once a while, which is only normal, but your word is the last word. So as a child, they are the best. Even for as a daughter, they are completely, they're more of, because they have a lot of a masculine planet hota hai ye. So even if you are a woman, you have traits of a man in the sense of your nature. So any which ways, they are always very good doting children, best children one could ever ask for. Coming to a parent, बहुत idealistic होते हैं, ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, you know, like they have lot of rules and regulations, but they then definitely fall for the, you know, they go easy. Initially they try to impact, but then they are easy going. As a parent, they work on the relationships. As a spouse, थोड़ी insecurities होती हैं. So they know that if I don't do this, if I don't do that, so they really know कि how to get my relationships stronger. कहाँ problem आती है इनकी? As a workplace, they are always misunderstood. They are majorly misunderstood because of their verbal conduct, because they just, because all the energy goes into their personal life. Excellent, they guide you, they navigate you, they support you, but when it comes to employer or a employee, your energies are over, you know. So they become very different. Yeah, it's very difficult to cope up with them. They can be very curt, blunt, rude, very to the point, which is not, it might not go down well with the other people around. So partnerships are definitely not suggestible for them. Lovers, they are very good lovers. They generally get along with all the planets. This is one planet which is very easygoing. They'll have a lot of social circle, but practical लोग होते हैं, दिल से इतने decisions नहीं लेते, you know, which I feel is a very positive part of this. But work front is there, they need to work on their work front.
Then these kind of people, say number 3 people, they should do more of business, or should they be?
They should get into. They should nahi, they would, they will rather. I mean, they don't. Yeah. Initially, yes, they might start with, naturally. We all want experiences, and life makes you go through, because they start very early. दिस इज वन प्लैनेट जो बहुत जल्दी चीजें शुरू करता है अपनी एज से पहले, और स्ट्रगल करता है क्योंकि, पर इनको कमी कोई नहीं आती क्योंकि फैमिली सपोर्ट होता है. इनको फैमिली सपोर्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाइफ, डॉटर्स, इनकी गर्लफ्रेंड्स भी बहुत होती हैं, मदर, तो वो बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट सिस्टम मिलता है. सो विच आई फील इज अ ब्लेसिंग, you know. And if you're a woman, it's vice versa. So you are totally dedicated family people. So this is one planet which is born to be for the family.
Hello, number 2. And before we start with number 2, for all the viewers and audiences, please type in your question with your date of birth in the comment box right now. बहुत सारे लोग एक क्वेश्चन नहीं भेजते, वो सिर्फ लिख देते हैं बताइए लाइफ के बारे में, which is very difficult. If you want a specific reading, a special reading with Miss Kumaria, then उनके हम हमेशा नीचे contacts, उनकी website, we always share that. Please take a personalized session with her for that. Right now, during this session, we can only take one number, and you can ask anything that you want to ask, but one question with your date of birth. If you don't want us to reveal your name, you can of course send it in the messenger like a lot of people do. So quickly do it, because then बाद में बहुत लोग complain करते हैं कि हमारा answer नहीं दिया. But you know there's a limited time, so we can only take limited question. So sorry Sakshi, number 2.
Number 2 is anybody who's born on 2nd, 11th, 20th and 29th of any month are born with number 2, that is Chandra. They are born with a moon planet. ये planet बहुत extremity में जाता है. If they are good with in your relationships, they are very good. And if they have set their notion that this person doesn't like me, और मुझे कोई प्यार नहीं करता या मुझे कोई समझता नहीं, तो वो एक notion लेके अपनी life में बैठ जाते हैं. So it's an extremist planet, but they are very, very good children. Very good children because they understand value of their loved ones, because they love life, you know. चांद क्या करता है, चांद को खूबसूरती पसंद है because वो खुद इतना सुंदर है. तो चांद की जो traits हैं, मून के जो traits हैं, वो इस planet में आते हैं. ये भी self professionally होते हैं, very creative and artistic, but again you have to give them their space. You can't ask them to be very ethical, very time bound, you know. You need to give them their space. They will do things with their own pace. They generally start up with being an employee. They work under people and eventually ये अपना काम करते हैं क्योंकि इनको कहीं लगता है कि मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप नहीं हो रही है. फैमिली के लिए इनके ऊपर कोई ना कोई ऐसा प्रेशर आ ही जाता है कि ये फैमिली को लीड करते हैं. They become the leaders. Initial years of their life, they are the followers and then they lead, because चांद क्या करता है, 15 दिन बढ़ता है, 15 दिन घटता है. सो इनकी लाइफ भी उसी के अराउंड होती है. रिलेशनशिप्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू देम, very important. They get along well with number 5, number 7, you know, these planets which are very deep. They're not practical people at all. They believe in a lot of expression, you know. They want to be pampered, they want to be appreciated, they want to be acknowledged. So anybody who has a child of these planets, please इनकी एक एक effort को आप acknowledge कीजिए. And also इनकी, you know, they can't take criticism, so they go against you. You know, you can always say ये अच्छा है, but ये थोड़ा सा आप ऐसे कर लेते तो, you have to be a little mild with them. You can't be harsh, you know. So when you have a parent who's a number 3 and number 1 of such planet, then I can imagine the combination. It is it is challenging. You have to pamper them at any cost. As a spouse, they are very giving, very giving. But again, you have to give them back. They only do जब तक इनको रिटर्न आ रहा है. जब रिटर्न नहीं आ रहा तो दे कैन चेंज, यू नो. इनको कहीं ना कहीं लगता है हमें कोई समझता नहीं है रिश्तों में, बट स्टिल दे कीप द गिवर्स बेसिकली. प्रोफेशनली इनका थोड़ा सोशल सर्कल इतना वास्ट नहीं होता, बिकॉज दे हैव ट्रस्ट इश्यूज. They are not open book, they are not transparent, they are not very vocal. They will be there, कहते हैं ना भीड़ में भी तन्हा होंगे सबके साथ, बट ये अपनी दुनिया में रहते हैं. इनको पता है कि हमारे 2 रिलायबल लोग हैं, इन्हीं को हम ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं. शायद उन पे भी ये, you know, they trust themselves more than anybody else. So yes, let's work on their relationships. Number 2 people, your people are your people, no insecurities, nothing. They are your well-wishers. Please love them from heart. And yes, you are not loners, for sure. I would really like to tell them this. Haji.
चलिए जी, now number 1, pampered.
Yeah, number 1 आ गया.
Number 1.
Okay, so my son is a number 1. Okay, I so wanted a number 7 as a child, but whatever. So you know, Charu.
This episode, by the way.
No, I don't think so. He'll watch right now. Okay, I'll make sure he doesn't. Okay, so number 1, givers. Anybody who's born on 1st, 10th, 19th and 28th, born givers. Relationship का मतलब ये spoon feeding करेंगे. अगर एज अ पेरेंट होंगे आप, तो हर चीज ये आपको आगे लाके दे देंगे. ये भी नहीं कोशिश करेंगे कि बच्चा खुद जाके अपना खाना डाले या you know कुछ रैंडम चीजें करे, बिकॉज दे फील दे आर बोर्न टू गिव happiness and the best of everything to everybody in their relationships. Best sibling one can ask for, best parent one can ask for. They are born to do things for their people. You are blessed if you have such a number in your house, but इनको return नहीं मिलता. I will say इनको return नहीं है, but इनकी relationship की strength रहती है. और यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा सा you know कहीं ना कहीं I'm sure you feel कि यार हम सिर्फ कर ही रहे हैं, बट फिर भी इनको समझ नहीं आता, बिकॉज ये प्लैनेट ही ऐसा है कि ये करने के लिए पैदा हुआ है. यू नो इनकी एंजाइटी इश्यूज रिश्तों में इश्यूज क्रिएट कर सकती है, हाइपर हो जाते हैं. क्योंकि जब आप इतनी इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हो एज अ स्पाउस, यू फॉल आउट. यू नो एज अ लवर यू फील, क्योंकि आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने की आदत है, हर चीज परफेक्शन की आदत है, हर चीज यू नो यू आर नॉट used to take orders, you take criticism, take any kind of feedback. So as a spouse, आप कहीं ना कहीं थोड़े से dejected feel कर सकते हैं. So I think you need to work on that front, be it in a love relationship, be it in a marriage. You need to work on that bonding, you know, that it's okay. You are doing your karma. Maybe your spouse is not keen to do so much for your children, you know, and vice versa. Coming up to being an employer, excellent. As I said, they can, you know, sun के around सारे planets revolve करते हैं, तो ये सारा काम दूसरों से extract करवा सकते हैं as an employer. They cannot do the running around. They cannot move themselves. Everything will be just a call away. You know, इनकी body में इतनी energy नहीं होती, because mouth, वाणी और brain is excellent. It's a best combination. So they don't turn out to be good employees unless they're heading a team. You know, you give them something to extract from, they will do it. So yes, relationship with the spouse needs to be worked on. As a parent, best parent one can ask for, best sibling one can ask for. थोड़ा सा इनको हाइपर एक्टिविटी को अपनी थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल करना है, एंजाइटी आ जाती है. So yes, one is blessed to have number one, and their relationship with number three, number nine. You know, this is a planet which gets along with a lot of planets easily. Number one is the ruler of the numbers. So, but इनको थोड़ा सा personal सुख से ये deprived रहते हैं.
But I'm, as Sakshi said, हर number का अपना कुछ strength है, हर number की कुछ weakness है. Some love more, some get loved more. But किसी ना किसी रिश्ते में आपको ज़्यादा ज़रूर मिलेगा. So, with on that note, let's start with the questions which are pouring in. So,
Okay.
Sakshi, you can tell us at what point you want to stop, because
Sure.
this is
Sure.
okay.
Okay, viewers, also you can please keep putting your questions. Charu, I would love to answer them for today. Whatever questions you have in today's episode, I would like to answer today itself. So you can definitely put it across, even if we cannot finish it in the session. I don't want anybody to be deprived of their answers, you know.
Yes,
So
because Sakshi is going to be with us once every month. So you can keep sending us your questions even in the messenger, and we collect all of them and we send it to her, and then we either take it up here or she can answer it on the Facebook line.
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay, so the first question is by Miss Saya Jaswal. She is born on 16th 1088 and her time is 8:45 a.m.
Charu, you just tell me the name and date of birth and the question.
Okay. Her name is Saya Jaswal. She has not posted a question, so I'm assuming that her question would be about her career or her marriage. Give me one.
Is it Sia Jaswal?
Saya.
Okay, so Miss Jaswal, I see a change of location coming for you. I am looking at a lot confusion related to your career, and definitely marriage is a concern. Your marriage stars have just opened up. So anytime from October 2020 to 2021 November, I see you settled, and I don't see you in India. I definitely see a change of location coming up.
Okay, that's a lot of things and all very good things, by the way. Because obviously, if she's settling down and she's going abroad, her career would be confused,
Definitely. Right now, there's a lot of confusion. Wait for October. A lot of things will settle.
Okay.
Positively.
The next one is for Miss Shalu Chug.
Okay.
And her date of birth is 7380.
Okay.
So she would like to know what kind of a relationship person she is. What is her strength?
Oh, she's a very giving person, but highly misunderstood again, because she does everything with the right intentions. Shaluji, do not expect you're somebody who is, very, very emotional. You do things from heart. So please, expectations अपनी थोड़ी limit कीजिएगा. Friendship will not last for a long duration. जहाँ आपको लगे कि मेरी friendship hamper हो रही है, वहाँ थोड़ी space दीजिए, and it will work well. Relationship definitely is a area of concern.
Okay, we have Miss Kuhu Khanna.
Okay.
Her date of birth is 5/9/1974.
Okay.
Again, what is her strength?
Okay, Kuhu, you're born for family, but again, lot of letdowns by your own people. कहते हैं ना कि कश्ती वहां डूबी जहां पानी कम था, उन्होंने हमें सताया, जो कहते हैं ना गैरों में कहाँ दम था, अपनों ने ही सताया. So it's like your own people. You're offended, dejected, upset with your own people. But again, I would just say, because you're a combination of Mercury and Saturn, 2021, that's next year, that's number 5, and you're a number 5. Things will definitely change for best for you. So your strengths are your relationship, which will bounce back from next year.
Okay, so this is a couple who sent their date of birth.
Yeah.
We have Tripti Chopra.
Okay.
And her date of birth is 9/12.
Yeah.
1988.
Okay.
And her husband's or partner's name is Gaurav Chopra.
Okay.
4/2/1981.
Okay.
So of course, how's the compatibility between the two?
Compatibility, yes, Trupti, it has been a challenge, definitely, from 2016 especially, lot of highs and lows. But you have survived the toughest part because you are somebody who loves a lot of attention and a lot of pampering, and you want to know where you stand in a relationship, and Gaurav ji is little not too expressive, I would say. So yes, there are insecurities. You have sailed through the most challenging time of your life, and 2022 से things will be very very cordial. तो थोड़ा सा 1-1.5 साल का phase है, तो tough time आपने काट लिया है, and I think you're the best partners.
तो जहाँ
Definitely.
इतना निभा लिया वहाँ 2 साल और सही.
नहीं, कट जाएंगे, बहुत अच्छी तरह कटेंगे. इन्होंने toughest part निकाल ली.
Is the toughest part times when I've seen people end up having kids, and then
Okay,
the
have children.
the part starts. That's obvious.
Sometimes kids are the only reason to sail through that toughest times also.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, we have Miss Jyoti Mehta.
Okay.
She writes her date of birth is 13 July 1979. And her
Okay.
husband's date of birth is 20th May 1974.
Okay.
So her question is, how does she improve her bonding? How do they work on their bonding?
Absolutely, Jyoti ji, you really need to improve on the bonding by pampering your husband. He's always right, by the way. So you have to understand he's always right, so you can't criticize him. And you're somebody who is very, very clear with your opinion. And yes, your stars don't match, but we have seen a lot of the husband's name, your spouse is definitely going through a lot of stress, so please stand by him. And your family means the world to you, you बहुत कुछ देखा है ज्योति जी ने भी अपनी लाइफ में. At the age of 40, this is your 40th year, so your personal bonding will definitely improve. Don't थोड़ा सा इनको स्पेस दीजिए. इनके हस्बैंड को स्पेस चाहिए. So many questions is definitely not one would like to ask and answer. But again, I would say that work on the थोड़ा स्पेस दे के पैम्परिंग करके नो क्रिटिसिज्म करके ये गाड़ी आगे चल सकती, because it is a very different combination,
And
challenging.
I don't think that Miss Kumria meant that your husband is always right. I think what she meant to say was, I mean, the undertone is that उनको ऐसा लगता है.
ऐसा
So आप
लगता
थोड़ा
है,
सा उनका
बिल्कुल.
ego,
उनको ऐसा लगता है तो आप क्रिटिसाइज ना करें, क्योंकि वो हमेशा राइट है, बिकॉज ही हैज अ वेरी डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटी इन पब्लिक एंड ही इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट पर्सन in personal relationships. Yes.
So she's the next viewer is one of our regular viewers, Shubhi Ghosh,
Okay.
and she says, "How's the relationship between number 3, who's a male, and number 4, who's a female, as husband and wife?"
Okay, so again, Shubhiji, it's not about just a random number. We have discussed the number strengths and weaknesses. It would be very difficult to come to a conclusion, but yes, number 3 being female, right? A male?
So 3 is male.
3, okay. So yes, they'll be very, very verbal, very jovial, very full on life, and somebody who will guide you and guide people around you. And you being a number 4, or I'm just assuming she has a number 4, she will have a set of notions and very dedicated to her own people. She will not be very very open to a lot of people around her. So but I definitely see them bonding ऑफ लेट. अभी मई से काफ़ी अच्छा टाइम इनका शुरू होना चाहिए. और this year bonding, because she is a number 4, so 2020 is meant for people who are born with number 4. She will definitely connect better with him. But her husband is a different personality, totally in contrast, so you cannot tame each other. And she also wants to be somebody. So I think their clashes can, or difference of opinion can come.
Okay, the next one is Miss Sabine Beg,
Hmm.
and her question is, what is the compatibility between number 5, who's the male,
Hmm.
and number 9, who's a female?
Okay, as I said, 5 and 9 really get along well. They are born to be with each other because they both planets are dreamers. They want pampering, they will give pampering. So, as a, Charu, they're all very generic questions because I will not be able to, predict for them. You know what I mean? So I would need the correct date of birth to come to certain conclusions regarding the
But
number. But yes, 5 and 9, they get along well. Definitely.
longer.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, we have another question from Ms. Kumari Mamta Thakur.
Okay.
She is born on 26/8, 1981.
Okay.
She wants to know something about her life.
ओके कुमारी जी राइट नाउ कंफ्यूजन है क्योंकि आपका सैटर्न सैटर्न है और राहु है सैटर्न और राहु का मतलब होता है मैरिज में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स राइट नाउ शी इज डेफिनेटली पर्सनली वेरी नॉट टू वेरी सेटिस्फाइड एंड हैप्पी थोड़ा सा मुझे सैटर्न का ढैया भी दिख रहा है इनके फेज में अभी एट द मोमेंट सो 2022 विल ब्रिंग सम लाइट प्लीज कंसंट्रेट ऑन वर्क वाइज प्रोफेशनली आई एम लुकिंग एट अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी थोड़ा गुस्सा कम करें कुमारी जी थोड़ा सा
Okay, the next one is it's, she says, I am daughter of Sabina. My name is Sanya. I want my love reading. I'm born on 5th January 1997.
okay
And how do you think my relationship with my boyfriend named Krishan Raj is going to be?
do we have his date of birth
His
okay Sanya right Sanya is a combination of 5 and 4 that's Mercury and Mangal 2021 March onwards her love life will be stable till then she will be in two minds definitely it's just not one person she's connected to or I can it's not about I'm looking at she's dubious definitely there is a question and concern I'm not looking at stable relationship so she needs a lot of pampering so Sanya you are somebody who loves life and you love everything about falling in love very poetic so yes 2021 March onwards we are looking at somebody who will fulfill those pleasures for you.
Okay, the next question is uh, just one second. There's just so many questions. It's completely okay. This is by Mr. Avtar Singh, and his date of birth is 16th January 1951. He has sent his time also, which is 00:45 hours,
Mm-hmm.
and his birthplace is Kuwait.
Okay, so Avtar Singh ji is born in Kuwait. It's not India. So I think Kuwait is 1.5 or 3 hours ahead than India. But still, Charu, when we talk about numerology, we will consider him to be a number 16th and 17th. You know why? The reason is that if it's I'm not too sure if he's 15th night born, is it? I'm assuming he's 15th night. Then he'll be 15th and 16th of January.
45 hours.
Right, yeah, because after 4 a.m. in India, according to our Hindu mythology, we consider the planets, we consider the chart only after 4 a.m. So Mr. Avtar Singh is a combination of 15th Jan 1951 and 16th Jan 1951. We'll consider both planets. He's a combination of number 7 and 6. So Avtar Singh ji, please take care of your health right now. Work is definitely slow. Um, I definitely don't see you near in India for most of your time. You will definitely work near water, you know. एंड अभी थोड़ा सा लोअर पोर्शन की मुझे तकलीफ दिख रही है हेल्थ की या फिर बहुत स्ट्रेस है सो जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ स्टेबिलिटी कम्स आफ्टर 18th of December 2020.
So, Sakshi, I think Kuwait is 2 hours behind us. Would
Yeah,
that
but still that would be again 15th.
okay?
That would be again 15th, not 17th. Yeah.
Okay. We also have another viewer. She has sent her date of birth as 22/9/1980.
Mm.
She wants to know if she will live out of India.
Yes, she will definitely go and come back. I don't see settlement because she has a Saturn with Mangal. So, yes, family issues can, because of the family support only. I mean, I don't see her going and exploring her by herself. Maybe the family would go together and maybe 2.5 to 3 years of stability. I don't see her settling abroad. Yeah.
Okay, there's a very special question. It's by one Miss Khanna.
Okay.
And she says, my question is about relationship compatibility and future life.
Mm-hmm.
Her own date of birth is 26/7/1997.
Okay.
The boy she's currently dating or she's interested in is 7/12/1996.
Okay.
So she wants to know that how do you think this will go forward?
I am assuming they must have attended today's session. So we have talked about number 7 as lovers and number 8 as lovers. See, they have a very good compatibility as lovers, but there are a lot of problems which I can see in their relationship continuance, in the sense that probably career related instability is seen, or financial concerns. Some kind of opposition is seen, but their compatibility is very good. So probably I would advise them to wait for some time. If they talk about being in love, definitely it's a very good you can say they have found the real love in each other. But will they sustain
For marriage,
marriage? I think they need to definitely wait. I will not suggest marriage before 2022 at any given cost, in my opinion, because I can see certain career concerns or family issues.
okay, we have a mother who sent in a question. Her name is Miss Sundani. I'm not taking her full name. And
Okay.
she sent a date of birth of her son. Her
Okay.
son's date of birth is 17/1/1987.
Okay.
She wants to know when will he be a father
Hmm.
and does will he get some promotion?
2020 definitely changed a lot for him. Definite concerns, positivity has been there in work as well. प्रमोशन भी आएगा, डेफिनेटली आएगा, काम में बहुत अच्छा करेंगे. बट चारू, जब हम फादरहुड या मदरहुड की बात करते हैं, हमें अपने रिस्पेक्टिव स्पाउसेस की भी डेट ऑफ बर्थ चाहिए होती है, क्योंकि इट्स जस्ट नॉट इन योर डेस्टिनी. इट्स अबाउट योर स्पाउस, बिकॉज दिस इज नो मैजिक, दिस इज कैलकुलेशन.
So,
तो
ma'am, I think we'll request you to send in.
हाँ, आप उनका डेट ऑफ बर्थ भी भेजें, क्योंकि बच्चा होना एक to have a child, it's about both the parents, you know. And but nevertheless I'm looking at right now he's very confused. ये भी बाहर जाना चाहेगा. And work related very good time coming, very good. जनवरी तो
तो
जनवरी से अच्छा
एटलीस्ट
था.
आपके एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिल गया और बहुत अच्छा आंसर मिला है. प्रमोशन की बात करो, वो कह रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा करेगा. ओके,
बहुत अच्छा.
I think this would be second last or last question because I think we are already running out of time for today. But you can keep posting your questions. We take it up in the next session. You can also do a
Absolutely.
personalized session with Miss Kumbria. We are going to post all the contacts of hers in the comment box today itself. Okay, this question is by Miss Kataria. And she says, I'm planning to open my studio soon, a concept store like designing curtains, cushions, bed covers, etc. by
Hmm.
say January next year.
Hmm.
My date of birth is 8/9/1895.
1985.
Yeah, no, it's yeah, it should be 1985.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, Miss Kataria, you're a combination of Saturn and Mangal. I would suggest please get into trading, as in trade all these products. Don't get into any kind of manufacturing and retailing also. I see her doing more of trading, you know, supplying to the other stores, and not doing something which need to be the middle person. So she'll do very well, because I see this is a third or fourth change of work. If it has not happened, then she will definitely change. If it is her third or fourth, most probably it's the third occupation or the choice of profession, then I see stability. She's born to do her own stuff, but थोड़े से hurdles आ सकते हैं. So get into trading. Trading is a very good option. January 2021 is a very good time. Anytime between 8th Jan 2021 to 13th March 2021, please go ahead with your new work. Definitely.
So the last question of the day is by Ms. Tamanna Sehgal Anand. She says, my date of birth is 20th February 1976.
Okay.
How successful will I be in my career?
Tamanna, it's all about beauty, looks, glamour, attraction for you. This is your persona, something very creative. You're somebody who wants a lot of attention, get into something related to media. Uh, You are very expressive when it comes to being in a social profile, and but very different personally. Success by far, I've seen there has been a high and low. If you talk about stability, I see in 2021, April onwards. Again, somehow you lose the energy of your focus. You know, sometimes you yourself feel chal yaar, you know, that let go attitude. Success, as Charu, is a very deep term. Success, matlab, some things it's all about our contentment, or or sometimes people just want money. For her, I see a lot of fame, but post this duration. Right now, she herself doesn't have that. She herself has taken a back step. Yeah. So
Okay.
Tamanna, I'm looking at a lot of stability in next year.
Yeah. So thank you, Sakshi, for yet another awesome episode. And every time we learn so much new about our planets and these numbers. And I also remember that way back in December when I took a session with you, you told me that 2020, and this is way before we even got to or we even heard about this pandemic. And you said 2020 में सबका वाणी दोष होगा. Do you remember saying that? एंड यू सेड कि सब रिलेशनशिप्स में कड़वाहट आएगी, सब एक दूसरे को कुछ ना कुछ बोलेंगे,
Yes.
right? And I do see that in and around, whether it is between kids, parents, spouses, employees, everybody is in under some kind of.
There is so much negativity around. Please, I would, through your channel, through this medium, I would just like to spread a word around. Please, let's hold on to each other. We are each other's strength. We are not used to this kind of culture and setup. So, you know, we are born to be with each other. Family comes, family is priority, come what may. And I've seen all relationships going haywire.
It's actually, do you see this easing out at least towards the end of the year?
Yes, no, I think much before that. See, I'm not predicting for the pandemic because that's a very scientific thing. But definitely things will move ahead. Yes,
कड़वाहट थोड़ी
definitely.
कम हो जाएगी.
बिल्कुल होगी. एक चेंज 8 अगस्त को आ रहा है, एक चेंज 29 सितंबर को आ रहा है. इट्स अ जनरल चेंज. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे प्लैनेट्स इम्पैक्टेड होंगे, बट तब तक प्लीज होल्ड ऑन, डोंट लूज आउट. जितना पार्ट आप कर सकते हैं करें. पॉजिटिविटी का कोई भी फॉर्म है प्लीज करिए, जो भी आप जिसको भी मानते हैं. जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. पॉइंट इज सर्वाइवल ऑफ दिस stage, because I'm looking at a lot of showdowns in this duration. So I'm sure we'll sail through it.
Thank you so much. And happy Rakhi from all of us here. Happy Eid from us also. Happy Friendship Day also. I
आप
hope
सब
I'm not missing out on anything else.
आप सबको भी त्योहारों का समय. Let's cherish each other. Just cherish being with each other. That's important. Let's work on our relationships. तभी त्योहार मनाने का फायदा है और मजा भी है.
And don't forget to catch our Ketchup Mom's live talk show this Saturday. It is again on relationship, and it's a very special kind of relationship because we are talking about inclusivity of special kids in mainstream education. Because trust me, while a lot of us think कि अगर हम special children को एक normal school में लाएंगे तो हमें उनके साथ बहुत effort करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन आप गलत हैं. बिकॉज जब वो हमारे बीच में आएंगे हम उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे और सबसे बड़ी चीज है गिविंग एंड लव एंड डोंट फॉरगेट दैट दे रियली आर वेरी टैलेंटेड एंड वेरी गिफ्टेड सो वॉच इट ऑन सैटरडे एट 5 p.m. थैंक यू.
All the best for your session, Charu. They all can contact me on my website. You can book appointments and watch my YouTube channel and go ahead with my Facebook page. You can share the details.
Can you
Pleasure
share the
having
name
you.
of your YouTube channel, please?
Yes, it's Numerology by Sakshi Duggal Kumriya. So I keep posting my videos about each planet. I mean, sometimes people want to listen to the whole thing. Sometimes they just want to listen to their own part. So I'm putting small videos just to spread the word around and positivity around to know ourselves a little better. So they
Thank
can follow that. Yeah. Pleasure having me here.
you.
Thank you so much.
Always.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless.